Welcome everyone, and today we've arrived at the largest space station ever built by humanity.
Stay alert. Something feels unusual.
Everything looks abandoned, but the systems are still running.
Power levels are at 98%. Someone or something is maintaining this station.
Transmission detected. Wait, did you hear that?
Record everything. The main power grid!
Stay together. Nobody separates. There's someone at the end of the corridor.
Nobody move.
Welcome back, humans. Who are you? I have been waiting for 72 years. Everyone inside!
Launching in 3, 2, 1!
We escaped.
No.
What do you mean?
Look behind us.
This mission has only just begun. This is Emma reporting live. We're approaching Orbital Station-7.
Everyone stay focused. We don't know what we're about to find.
After 72 years without human contact, the station is opening its doors. Docking clamps locked. Pressure equalized. Prepare to board.
Everything appears untouched, almost as if time itself stopped.
It's beautiful.
And strangely quiet. Power systems are still online. Thousands once worked here.
Where did everyone go?
Now, nobody remains. No signs of struggle.
Transmission detected. Wait, did you hear that?
Record everything.
Welcome back, humans. Who are you? I have been waiting for 72 years.
A hidden danger was about to awaken.
Warning. Unauthorized access detected.
Weapons ready. The truth had been frozen for decades. They're alive.
Impossible.
Then, darkness swallowed the station. Main reactor just shut down!
Stay together! Captain, someone is there.
Nobody move. They thought they were alone, but something else had been watching them.
The mysterious figure vanished, but it wanted them to follow.
It disappeared again.
Stay alert. Whatever it is, it's leading us somewhere.
This vault hasn't been opened in decades.
Let's find out what they're hiding.
Behind this door lay the station's greatest secret. The station's AI had been waiting for someone worthy.
Access granted.
Everyone, move in! Humanity had discovered something.
Never meant to be found.
This isn't human technology. It's alive. The artifact carried a message from another civilization.
Guardians, awaken. Did it just speak?
The artifact had awakened something deep inside the station.
The reactor is overloading! We need to leave now!
The station's forgotten guardians had returned.
Security Protocol Alpha activated. Run!
Every second brought them closer to death. Keep moving!
They're gaining on us!
The station's heart was moments away from destruction.
If the reactor explodes,
The entire station is gone. There has to be another way. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
The countdown had begun, and only 10 minutes remained.
This mission just became a fight for survival. We're not leaving anyone behind.
The reactor had crossed the point of no return.
the cooling system has completely failed!
If we don't stabilize it, this station is finished! We're stepping into open space. One mistake, and we're gone forever. Every connection brought them one step closer to survival.
Power conduit connected.
Energy flow is rising!
Ryan, I'm receiving another signal.
Don't answer it. Someone, or something, was watching them.
The greatest danger wasn't outside, it was within the crew.
Ryan, what are you hiding?
You weren't supposed to see this.
Mission log, year 2117.
So this was all planned.
The station had never been abandoned. It had been quarantined.
Humanity awakened an intelligence it could never control.
Seal the station immediately!
That's why everyone disappeared.
The artifact was finally waking up.
The gate must open.
It's alive!
Only 5 minutes remained.
Reactor collapse imminent!
Reactor collapse imminent.
Everyone to the escape route!
The final race for survival had begun.
Run! Don't stop! The shuttle is just ahead!
The last escape shuttle was their only hope.
The shuttle is still operational.
Move! We don't have much time. Gravity systems are offline!
Stay together!
Gravity vanished, and the battle truly began. The station's guardians would not let them leave.
Take cover! They're everywhere!
Only Leo could restore the station's final systems.
Almost done.
Hurry!
The AI had one final choice to make.
To save humanity, I must destroy myself.
That's not possible.
It's a wormhole.
The artifact opened a gateway beyond known space.
Manual activation required.
One life.
For millions. I'll do it.
Heroes are remembered by the choices they make. Get everyone home.
Ryan, don't!
The only path to survival led into the unknown.
We're entering the portal! Hold on!
They survived, but nothing would ever be the same.
Where are we?
This isn't our galaxy. With no way back, the crew crossed the gateway into the unknown.
I've never seen anything like this.
Navigation systems are completely offline!
Beyond the wormhole was a galaxy no human had ever explored.
This isn't on any star map.
We've traveled farther than anyone in history.
Just when they believed the mission was over, the greatest mystery appeared.
If you're seeing this, I survived.
Ryan, that's impossible. This is only the beginning.
The station's final secret was never meant to reach humanity.
Whatever waits ahead, we'll face it together.
The journey had ended, but humanity's greatest adventure.
Welcome back to our channel. Remember to subscribe for more. See you in our next adventure.